Welcome everyone. Today I want to show you a very cool model. It's Super 3 that I printing with Ortur 4 via one printer. I call this model Sci-fi Forest. I downloaded all parts from Gearbest, so this is my remix. Those trees, those marshmallows, and this little house. Of course I changed it a lot. I made just one complex. I really like this printer. Very special printing surface. I think this is PET or PETG plus, something like this. Seems like glass or something. It's very nice. This printer have two axes, Z-axis, metal extruder, rails, so it's no this plastic wheels that it's vibrates and so on. But this is really powerful printer that I really like. Not the quietest one, but it's actually works much more quiet than NDP. Of course, I'm going to add link below so you can download this model from Gearbest or my own site. I'm going to add link to this printer that you can buy from the seller or Gearbest. I hope you like this video. Enjoy, subscribe, and happy 3D printing. Yes, I'm getting beautiful layers. I'm experimenting with simplified 3D. I'm using some kind of test settings. It seems like it works really well. That's it, guys. Bye bye.